Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm finally here with my reveal for the Scrapdiva Designs January release. It is live today, January 8th, but I just got my package, so getting a late start. I have nothing prepared for you guys, but I wanted to do the unboxing and do the links and stuff. So if you guys are wanting to pick up something, you will be able to, and feel free to use my discount code, which is Polka10. And let's just jump right in and show you what's available this month. Lots of cute dies. We have this one first, Heart Cherries. So I believe there's two sizes of it, and you can make it like a little tag or hanging. You can make it a shaker also. So super cute. I love that one. Next one is called the 3x3 inch envelope with liner. Now, a lot of these have two sheets of dies in them, so you know, watch for tutorials and examples so you can see what all it looks like. But this is going to be a nice one too. Then we have Valentine Car Mini Album. So this is kind of upside down, but you can get the idea. And there's two sizes also. There's again another page of dies in between. Then we have the Valentine word tags. So this is the same shape of tag type that we had for Halloween with the ghost. And then you got some words with it. Okay. Then we have the Valentine harp bag topper. And I believe, yeah, there's another layer there. There's two sizes of this. It's really cute. It's hard to kind of tell in the picture, but when you see them put together, it's very cute. So looking forward to that one. Then we have Valentine words number 4. So we got hugs, mine, love, thanks. Can't see what they all are, but I'll get those all cut out for you. Next up is the gift card pocket. So this piece you can see here is where you're going to stick the gift card in, and then there's other pieces inside to make it like a pocket. I've seen examples. Very cute. Ticket mini album. Of course, you gotta love a ticket. Love. And then we have heart-shaped paper clips. Very cute. I think there's 3 sizes in here, if I remember right. And then we got the heart bottle shaker set. Again, 3 sizes. Really cute. And hearts say love potion. Very cute. The stoppers. Really nice. Okay, then we have the Valentine harp memorydex. So the same harp design, just on a memorydex. Love that. And then we have Valentine words number 3. Now this has 3 layers. So you got your word, and then you got a stitched layer shadow, and then another layer to shadow. So very cute. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words in here. Very pretty. Then we have this. Is super cute. It's the 3D locker. It makes a really cute box. I've seen a few examples of that one. And then word die Valentine. So this is just a word that says Valentine with a shadow piece. Okay. And then we have heart suitcase tags. So you can see you got your heart, and then it fits through here to loop through like a suitcase, or like as a tag. Really cute. It's got some layering pieces. Very cute. Okay, and then we have the Valentine gnome add-on. So this is some pieces that go along with to add on to the Valentine gnome, or from the Christmas gnome from last month. So you got a bunch of different cute pieces to accessorize that. You got balloons and hearts and arrows and suckers and all kinds of cute stuff. So that's cute. Okay, then we also have, this was called the Carrot Gift Box Gnome Add-on. Okay, so let's see, I forgot to pull that out. Let me see if I can see it real quick. It's meant to add on to this. I thought I didn't have it because for some reason, mine's labeled Easter treat box. And so when Erica asked me about if I had it, I said no, because I didn't see, because it's called carrot gift box. And so I thought I didn't have it. I mean, I was thinking this would be what it would be, but I wasn't sure. So anyway, but this is what it goes with. So this was released before last year or something like that. So I guess these things like this, the hat and stuff, fit on, you know, the shape of this triangle. And then apparently you just, you can cut off the bunny head at the top, so that it has all these extra pieces to decorate this with. So anyway, that's called, the way I have it labeled, I'm not sure if that's the official one or if I made a mistake, but it's called, I have it down as Easter treat box. So anyway, that's what that's supposed to add on to, okay? If you don't have it already and you want to pick it up. Okay, then we have the flip top box, which is very cute. It looks kind of like a crayon type box, you know, with a lid that flips up. Very cute. I've seen a lot of cute examples on that one. And then we also have two stamp sets. So we have this cute one, which is called Love Stamp and Die Set. So you get all these cute little tags, all these different words, and then the die to cut them out. So lots of cute little words. And then lastly, we have the Valentine Stamp 2025. And so this has lots of cute little Valentine heart sayings. Again, these are polymer stamps, so they stamp very nicely. Love them. So that is what is available today on the website. I will have everything linked for you. Thank you so much for watching. So sorry for the delay. My package must have took a scenic route to get here, so, but I finally have it now, so I will get busy making some examples for you guys, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it below. Here is the website, okay? And then this is all the social media. Again, I will have everything linked, and then I'll also list my discount code, so you can feel free to use that if you decide to pick anything up from the shop. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.